Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Earning Ways, the place where skills meet income. If you're good with numbers, dashboards, or machine learning, here's something exciting. You can make serious money as a data product creator in 2025. Today, I'm breaking down 6 real, profitable ways to monetize your data skills. From selling datasets to launching APIs. Let's dive right in. So start with sell ready-to-use datasets. First up, sell clean, ready-to-use datasets. Businesses love buying structured data. They can plug into their analysis. Where to sell? Kaggle datasets, data.world, or your own website. Earnings $50,000 to $3,000 plus depending on quality and demand. Focus on niche data like consumer trends, public records, or scraped web data that saves others time. Next, build interactive dashboards and reports. These tools help businesses visualize their performance, and they're in high demand. Tools: Tableau, Power BI, Looker, sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or offer custom builds on Upwork. Small businesses, agencies, and startups are always looking for visuals they can plug into presentations or pitches. Pro tip: offer a few free samples on LinkedIn to attract inbound leads. Next up, build data APIs or SaaS tools. If you can code, consider building a data-driven API or a mini SaaS tool. Examples: real-time stock market or weather APIs, segmentation tools for marketers, AI-based lead scoring engines. Monetize through subscriptions or one-time licenses. Use platforms like RapidAPI or host your own. This is scalable and can generate passive recurring income. Next sauce is offer subscriptions. Why sell once when you can get paid monthly? Turn your data into a subscription service. Ideas: weekly updated crypto stats, job market trends, e-commerce insights. Tools: Notion, Airtable, Stripe for payments. Bundle dashboards, datasets, or predictions, and charge $10 to $100 plus per month. Another source of earning is freelance custom data products. Businesses are constantly looking for custom data tools. You can work as a freelance data product creator. Top platforms: Upwork, Optal, Collabtree. Rates: $50 to $150 per hour depending on your experience and the complexity. Services you can offer: data scraping tools, business KPI dashboards, predictive analytics. Freelancing helps you test product ideas and get paid while building your portfolio. Last but not the least, teach others. Courses, ebooks and more. Love teaching? Turn your skills into courses, ebooks, or blog content. Platforms: Udemy, Coursera, Gumroad. Topics: how to build a data dashboard, sell datasets online, APIs with Python. You don't need to be a PhD. Just explain what you already do well. Tips to succeed: to stand out as a data product creator. Niche down. Focus on industries like real estate, healthcare, or marketing. Build in public. Post your progress on LinkedIn and Twitter. Focus on solving real problems. Save time, automate insights, or reduce costs. Tools come and go, but the skill of turning raw data into value, that's timeless. Becoming a data product creator can open doors to freelance freedom, SaaS income, and expert-level authority. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your questions or data product ideas. And if you want help building your first dashboard or launching a product website, reach out to BinLogix IT Services for expert support. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building and keep earning.